Hi folks, I'm making this video just for the anthropology adjuncts at York. The reason I'm doing it is that since most of us are not on campus at the same time, it's hard for us to meet and discuss some issues. What I'm writing about now, or talking about now, is that I would like to change the entire focus of the Anthro 101 Introduction to Anthropology course. This is my 41st year teaching at York, and after trying many different ways and many different things with Anthro 101, and my experience here is that Anthro 101 is often the only course that York students take. And it's that course that we have our only chance to get them interested in anthropology. Most would not become anthromages, many more might take on the anthrominor, or would take on 2 or 3 electives as part of their college experience. And I think in order to do that, I think we have to change the focus of Anthropology 101. Up to now, we've been using a textbook, and sometimes a textbook with ethnography, and basically there's been exams, kin chart, and I really think we need to break from that tradition. What I'm suggesting is that we really refocus the course into fieldwork experience, where the student actually gets the experience of doing what most anthropologists do. And it's the thing that makes us anthropologists, which is really our fieldwork. Whether it's the traditional participant observation or it's some kind of quantitative, but essentially it's getting in the field and being with people. I think that's what will excite our students. So what I'm recommending is, one, that we change from the big textbook to a small textbook that just covers the basic outlines. And I have found one which was recommended to me by one of our adjuncts, and I looked at it and I think it's very good. It's called Social and Cultural Anthropology by Monaghan and Peter Just. As I read it, they're a little too post-modernist for me, but basically the book contains what's necessary. There are only 8 chapters, and it's not a typical book where they discuss just social organization. I mean, in a chapter they use ethnography to highlight examples of different aspects of society and culture in each chapter. So I think it's a good book, and even a new hardcover version is like $14.95. I purchased this used for $2.95 on Amazon, and I've copied and scanned this book for you, which I will send to you as an email attachment. So you'll have a copy of the book. I'm also going to contact the publisher and see if I can get copies sent to you at the college. Now, what my thinking is that we use this book plus 2 ethnographies of your choice. That forms the reading of the course. That combined with a short ethnographic research project where the student gets their hands wet, and then followed by a longer ethnographic project which is spread over the semester and requires much more work, and of course will result in more points. This semester in my class I have 2 ethnographic projects. One is a short one worth 10% of the grade, where they have to do unobtrusive observation and a little interviewing in a coffee shop of their choice. It could be a Starbucks or any other kind of coffee shop. The second project is where they have to go to a courtroom in the metro area, and they have to observe trials. And this is a more extensive one, and they have to look at the power relationships in a courtroom, as well as take notes on some dialogue in the courtroom. This project is worth 40% of their grade. Now, I'm not saying that these have to be the projects you use. I think you should use field projects that you feel comfortable with. Also, I'm not requiring that everybody switch to this new approach. I'm going to give you the option. But even if you stay with the current textbook we use, I highly recommend that you expand the fieldwork aspect of the course and reduce the number of points involved in terms of the exams on the textbook, and give more weight to them doing and writing an ethnography. I've also made several videos on doing ethnography, as well as I've collected videos by other anthropologists. I have articles on that, which I will make available to you. I think what I will do is make you a teaching assistant in my Intro 101 course, where you'll have access to the course and can also look at all the videos and articles and download any of them that you wish. I think that with this strategy, we might actually make the Anthro 101 course more exciting for the students. Also, this book is small, so it would be dealt with in the first third of the semester. And in the meantime, interesting ethnographies could be used, ones that you like and that you know of. And the only criterion I would make is that they're well-written ethnographies that the students would enjoy. And anthropology is rich in those, and I'm sure you could find many. They're also inexpensive for the most part, and you know the ones you like and are familiar with. And so that's it. What I would like to do, I'm going to set up a separate group on my Anthro 101 course just for us. And so any comments you make or any discussion we have on this, it'll only be open to the Anthro instructors, and we can talk about this in more depth. I'm going to do this in my two Anthro courses starting next fall, and also in the one I'm going to do in the short session in June. And I encourage you to try this as well, but again, this is up to you. So, all right, that's all. I just wanted to get you notice on this. All right, so take care and thank you. Hi, folks. I'm making this video